Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you. Today we got some more Crye stuff, and as you can see here, it's the G3 combat shirt. So as you can see here, we have the G3 combat shirt in multicam. So this is a little heavier than the G4, but this will work better in the brush where I'm going to be going for JRTC. So I'm excited about that. This size, I believe, is a small regular. So the siding between these and the regular standard issue combat shirts that the Army has, it's a little bit different because the Army is just basically a small, medium, large, XL, and so on and so forth. Whereas these are actually small, medium, small, short, regular, small, long, etc. So from what I've seen, it's that the stretching material here is going to be a little bit thicker. And then you have your patch area here for all your flags and your unit logos and whatever. And I believe the Crye multicams assist with lowering your IR detection, but I'm not so much sure about the heat signature. But overall, this material feels super soft. It does feel thin, but it's designed to be worn with a plate carrier. So excited to have an extra level of comfort. Your cuffs here have Velcro on them. And so the sleeve material, not so much stretchy, but the material that's going to be on the rest of your torso is pretty stretchy. So, and there's a quarter zip feature here. Flip the collar over. No markings on the inside. That looks about it. Oh, here's your marking. So on the bottom right hand side, it says it's a G3 combat shirt, small, regular. But anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.